Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial section with Plugstock Enterprise. Yes, and today I'm going to show you how to design like a professional in the 21st century and some major plugins that you'd be needing, especially when you have to design a blog. Alright, so these are like a few of them. Askimet, which controls spam, helps you knock off spam. AMP helps you with the page experience, right? Classic editor, like I told you, is the simplistic interface you need. Coming soon page, just in case an issue comes up and you need to maintain your page, you can always turn this up. So email subscribers, yes, add subscription forms and send exactly once it's published. Awesome tool there. Email subscriber newsletter. G-Translate for what's it called, inclusive purposes. You have to include all the languages on your blog. Jetpack for security and so many others. Impressive Jetpack. Jetpack is usually one of the first three plugins I download. This is for cache memory, excuse me. This is for security, for social media share. This is for Google AdSense. This is for audio, very important. Nowadays readers are geared to audio and video, so you have to include them. WordPress, your security, WordPress, what's the read? That's what makes it possible for you to see that bar on top when you come to my website to read. The dark mode is what's responsible for making you choose either dark or this is the plugin WP dark mode. WP discourse is that beautiful comment section you see on the blog, and then the SEO, like you all know it. Alright, so these are like very major plugins. If you want to design like a professional, then you should get these plugins. You should download these plugins for free. Okay, so at this point I'm going to call it a day. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, kindly leave them in the link below. Subscribe, share and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.